hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Donaldson, Wayland, Franklin, New Boston, Winchester, Wilson Lake, Lee County Fairgrounds, Gregory Landing, Charleston, and St. Patrick around 10:15 a.m. Keokuk, Nauvoo, Warsaw, West Point, Alexandria, Paul Miller Park, Chatfield Park, and Nauvoo State Park around 10:20 a.m. Fort Madison, Hamilton, Nyota, Denmark, Fort Madison Municipal Airport, Sawyer, Sutter, Augusta, and Welter Recreation Area around 10:25 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Dallas City, West Point, Colusa, Elviston, Pontusic, Bosco, Weaver, Carthage, Disco, Denver, Bentley, La Harpe, Plymouth, and Webster. Take cover now. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Butler County in south-central Kentucky, western Grayson County in central Kentucky, Ohio County in central Kentucky, until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hartford, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hartford, Morgantown, Casey, Lee, Beaver Dam, Canayville, Centertown, McHenry, Rockport, and Rochester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in south-central Indiana, Clark County in south-central Indiana, Floyd County in south-central Indiana, Scott County in south-central Indiana, Washington County in south-central Indiana, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Seymour to near Paoli, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Louisville, Jeffersonville, New Albany, Madison, Scottsburg, Salem, Clarksville, Vienna, Charlestown, and Sellersburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 420, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Clark, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, and Scott, and the following counties in Kentucky: Breckenridge, Bullitt, Hardin, Henry, Jefferson, Meade, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, and Trimble. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Williamson County, Illinois, South Central Franklin County in South Central Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Johnston City, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Heron, Carterville, Johnston City, Craneville, Energy, Pittsburgh, Stone Fort, Freeman Spurs, Whittyish, Williamson County Regional Airport, Colt, and Spillertown. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 49 and 62. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin and Williamson.
What's going on today? Well, Mark Levin, this is going to be a block.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Newaygo County in west central Michigan until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near White Cloud, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Newaygo County, including the following locations: Woodville and Worcester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Laramie and south central Platte counties. This includes Interstate 25 in Wyoming between mile markers 34 and 44. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Wyoming, Laramie, and Platte. The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Limestone County in north-central Alabama, eastern Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama, east-central Tolbert County in northwestern Alabama, north-central Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Killen, or 10 miles northeast of Florence, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Rogersville, Killen, Lexington, St. Florian, Underwood, Pottersville, Anderson, and Leicester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Lawrence and Limestone.
Find Highlands earache drops in the eye and ear aisle at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS.
The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Limestone County in north-central Alabama, southeastern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, northeastern Franklin County in northwestern Alabama, northwestern Morgan County in north-central Alabama, central Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cortland, or 15 miles north of Moulton, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Decatur, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Moulton, Trinity, Town Creek, Littleville, Layton, and Cortland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Colbert, Franklin, and Lawrence.